Journaling isn't just writing in a notebook. It is a tool for healing, clarity, and self awareness. Today, I'm teaching you how to use journaling to release negative thoughts and start speaking positivity over your life. What's up, y'all? This is Shanti, Journal Bay Refuge of Shanti Refuge Journals, and let's get into it. I'm going to give you some journaling techniques to release negative self talk. First is the brain dump. What a brain dump entails is you just taking some paper, pen, and you're writing out every negative thought in your head without filtering. Just get it out. It's all stuffed up in your head and it needs to get out. That's first. Once it's on the paper, read it back to yourself and then ask, is this really true? Simple. The next one is the reverse journal. So, how you do the reverse journal, you're going to take one negative thought and flip it into a positive by writing 3 reasons why it's not true. For example, you might tell yourself, I'm not smart enough. So, you write that down, that negative thought down, and then you flip it. I figured out so many things in my life. I am more than capable. Those are reasons why that you saying you're not smart enough isn't true. And one of my favorites, the future you letter. So you're going to take your notebook, write a letter from your future self 1 year from now, thanking you for breaking free from negative self talk. So write a letter to you from you, but it's from you a year from now. Thank yourself for breaking free from negative self talk. So this goes into the homework. You know, I love to give homework. Here's your prompt. Write a letter to your inner critic and tell it why you're done listening to it and what new beliefs you're choosing instead. Again, write a letter to your inner critic. Tell it why you're done listening to it and what new beliefs you have chosen instead. Stay tuned for more. This is Shanti Refuge, aka Journal Bay of Shanti Refuge Journals. Thank you for watching.